Joe in real life. Bonaventure Cemetery. This is my new stomp. I'm in the Hebrew Cemetery. The whole cemetery is gorgeous, but I love this the best. It's day 58 of the Burpee War. After yesterday's hijinks with that screwball one-arm snatch into a Turkish getup that I did with the barbell, I'm gonna call it a javelin something. I don't know what yet. It'll come to me. I am in pain. Or rather, I'm not in pain, I'm sore. Sore. Proper sore. Like my wrist, my elbow, weird. Never felt soreness there. My shoulder, my sacrum, my hips, knee joint stability, ankle. Like all of it. The whole system feels like whatever the weak link was, which could have been anything, got overloaded, and then there was a cascade. And in that cascade, the entire system got corrupted. I'm supposed to deadlift today. I'll tell you flatly, that is not happening. I'm gonna do my burpees. I'm gonna work on some modular stuff, meaning just assistance work that I plan to do in a modular cycle. And I'm gonna call it for the day because I literally need to recover. Like I have to. I'm old enough and wise enough now to know that pushing hard on days like today is exactly how I get hurt. And I may not exactly be the old sage on the mountain yet, or ever, but I know better than to push today. Just holding the phone like this, my shoulder's on fire. It's been 2 minutes. I'm holding a phone at arm's length. Like, this is not the day you push. So yeah, stay tuned. Burpees and some other screwy stuff, which I may or may not show you depending on how embarrassing it is. First 8 burpees, 50 to go. I'm gonna be honest with you. My body is not gonna do it today. I might do some restorative jazz. It's basically laying on my back and twisting around. But I can't move anything serious today. I can't do it. Those 8 burpees felt risky. I don't even want to rewatch this video. I'm terrified of what they might look like. So we're gonna call it there. This is Joe in real life. I love you guys. Be good to each other.